shop to take Roger Park to the Olympics. If they ain't know we seen smoke start coming to this, and they seen the bill that got the balls out the back of the truck. I said, it's wrapped up now, this is wrapped up. They'll set the woods on fire, this. Huh? My mom was I'll just do it. Take the fire, they're ready to put the wood. Just get it out.
So close to the cutting.
Cause I still can't see smoke. How's it going?
Hey, how you doing?
Alright. You Roger? Oh, okay. You do mechanic work?
Yes, sir.
What you charging for the motor and a motor transmission and 8-speed gear reader? $450. Where you located? Which road? Okay. You got a card?
I don't have it. That's from the shop.
Oh. Which road? Which road?
Another truck.
Oh, you right there. You right over.
Cut out. Well, we were close. There ain't no smoke start coming to this. I'm going to it too.
Yeah.
And that bumped the truck. You are right.
You got a lot of fun in this truck, man.
Hard run. You can get another truck. Everyone, you okay? Everything's all right.
Yeah, your life is worth more than the truck. So what I said, you got 4 tank gas in there. Well, don't get to that gas tank.
That's all good.
You need another cage. Well, that one might be some good for you.
I think that most good indeed. I just bought the damn dog cage over there. Let's take this to the vet.
You don't look like it.
I'm still burning, man.
Yeah, because it's right there next to your gas line. Gas line right down in the, the firewall down up in there.
The wind ain't happening none.
They getting it over.
The wind ain't happening none.
Nah, that wind pushing it.
Laid down and had the new tank and wheels and all that stuff in there. Man. I mean, it feels like I want to come here, but dang. Just up at the dog pound. No problem. Get in and can't cross the line. Better right came on. Man, I get Roger and check that when we get to the shop. If they ain't no cut off. Smoke start coming to the bed. He bailed out. I'm trying to get the hood up where I can get down and touch some other little towel or something.
I hope you get that out there.
Just run the ball.
Well, shit, y'all need to hook that thing up to one of them fire hydrants.
The only fire?
The only fire hydrant right there.
Which one don't do?
Yo, yeah, it's down on the side right there.
You know what they call them back at what it is. What about start trying to crank up? Back up. No, I got a remote start up.
Yeah.
You start doing it back up.
Yeah, because that brain is thinking you trying to make it crank up.
Right.
Why do people, if they feel fire, truck, they're gonna still try to come through.
Crazy. Super for Cocoa Puff. Hey.
Come here, GG. GG. Get here. Get here. Can't get back now. Try to get back on the truck.
Yeah.
Oh, he said I want to get my cake.
Come on. Come on. Get up there, girl.
He said I'm sorry.
Come on. Come on, get up. Get up, baby. Hey, girl.
Look like it's dropped around.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I gotta turn around.
Yeah, still at work.
You locked the door?
Yeah, still working.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Oh, okay. I will stop recording then.
That boy